Okay, girl, sit down. I need to tell you a secret that will completely change how you shop and invest. 95% of your financial decisions are not made by the smart, logical part of your brain. They are actually driven by a scared, hungry teenager living in your head. That impulse you feel when you see a flash sale, that anxiety when the market dips, that is pure, unedited emotion running your wallet. I'm not telling you this to make you feel bad. I want you to see this pattern so you can take your power back. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's happening in your brain in the 3 seconds before you swipe your card or click buy. And I'll give you this simple move that interrupts it for good. Section 1. Your brain is old. Here is the wild truth. Your brain runs on 200,000-year-old software. Back in the day, dodging lions meant you needed a fast, emotional brain to stay alive. Today, that exact same survival system fires up when you see a 50% off sign or watch your investments drop.
Scientists see this happen in real time. They put people in brain scanners and give them risky or unfair financial choices. The logical brain stays quiet. Instead, the insula lights up. That is the brain's fear and anxiety center. Your gut literally feels a money decision before your head even has a chance to think about it. And get this, money lights up the exact same reward center in your brain as a sugar rush, a new crush, or even addictive drugs. Reacting emotionally to money is not a character flaw. It is just biology.
Section 2. 2 roommates in your head. Imagine your mind has 2 roommates. Behavioral economists call them System 1 and System 2. Let's call them feeler and thinker. Feeler is fast. She acts on emotion and makes snap judgments. Thinker is slow. She is careful and does the actual math. The problem? Feeler always answers the door first. Thinker is still in the back room putting her shoes on. Let me show you how this plays out. Ask someone what happens if you invest $1,000 at 6% for 40 years. Most people guess it grows to about $3,400. The real math? $10,286. Feeler thinks in straight, simple lines. Thinker understands compound growth. Your financial mistakes live right inside that gap between what feels true and what is mathematically true. This gap gets even crazier. Researchers looked at judges making parole decisions. They granted parole 65% of the time right after a meal. Right before their next meal, almost 0%. Hunger, fatigue, and distraction literally rewire your decisions in real time.
Section 3. The stories we fall for. This is where marketers totally play us. Our brains hate math. We love a good story.
Look at this famous jelly bean study. Bowl 1 gives you a 10% chance to win. Bowl 2 gives you a 9% chance. Bowl 1 is clearly better, but 2/3 of people pick Bowl 2 anyway. Why? Because seeing more winning beans just feels like a better story. We pick narrative over numbers every single time. Brands know this. You aren't buying a blender. You are buying the story of an effortless, healthy morning. You aren't buying a stock. You are buying the story of getting rich early. Good storytelling physically syncs your brain with the storyteller. That is beautiful for human connection, but it is super dangerous for your wallet. Throw in some risk, and logic shuts down completely. An only 2 left banner on a website triggers your ancient fight or flight response. Your ancestors ran from lions. You panic buy shoes. Your heart races before your brain even joins the chat. Section 4. Women taking the wheel. I know this sounds intense, but here is the incredible news. Studies on real trading accounts show women naturally invest better. We trade less often and way more carefully than men. Overconfident, overactive traders actually lose out to disciplined investors year after year. So hear me on this. Your instinct to pause, to think it through, to hold off on an impulse buy, that is not you overthinking things. That is a financial superpower living inside you right now. We just need to sharpen it. And before we get into the exact steps to do that, I have a quick favor. Please like this video right now so YouTube knows it can help other women. Section 5. The 4-step fix. Let's move from feeler to thinker. These are real, actionable steps to shift your mindset today. Step 1. Name the feeling. Before you buy anything, ask yourself out loud, am I excited, scared, bored, or just experiencing FOMO right now? Saying the emotion out loud pulls your brain activity away from fear and back into logic. It literally breaks the circuit. Step 2. Install a waiting rule. Do not rely on willpower. Willpower drains throughout the day like a phone battery. Psychologists call this ego depletion. It is exactly why stores put expensive candy at the checkout line when you are tired. So set a hard rule. Wait 24 hours for small purchases and 72 hours for big ones. No debate, no negotiating. Step 3. Automate the boring stuff. Set up automatic transfers for your savings and investments. If the money moves automatically, Feeler never gets a chance to argue about it. And step 4. Use simple rules, not more information. More data just fries your brain and causes you to shut down. A simple rule like, I only buy index funds or I never buy from a first ad, works wonders. Do these 4 things and you change the game. You shift your decisions from 95% emotional to a 60-40 split entirely in your favor. You are not broken for feeling before you think. Every human brain operates this way. The woman who builds real wealth simply recognizes the pattern and creates one tiny system to protect herself. So which one of these 4 steps are you starting with this week? Tell me down in the comments. And be sure to subscribe, because in addition, the video on the description break down the exact story your brain tells you every time you feel broke and how to rewrite it. And we'll have so many others that will elevate your level of consciousness, enabling you to achieve what you desire without being limited.